Now, I can start.
You can hold it however you're comfortable with it.
Okay.
Yep.
Because I know I'm not left-handed now.
Yeah, so, okay, so that's the harder side for you to be doing.
Nightmares turn into a dream. It gets so toxic to me. What am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer.
What's up, y'all? So, today is about to be a little bit busy. Today about to be a little bit busy, and y'all know since today is about to be busy, we gotta wait.
Hello, love. So now that I am finished eating, I am headed to my 2 o'clock appointment. I headed out early because I know traffic's bad, but this is going to be a video of my first time learning how to do my makeup with a one-on-one professional makeup artist teaching me how to beat my face for the first time. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's enjoy.
Everything we use, I'm gonna let you literally take a picture of the name of it and the product. That way, when you are ready to shop, you have the exact color you need and you know, get it as you need.
I just I said, look here, I'm finna invest in myself, and that's what I like to do. And I had you on my list all this whole time. I was like, this year, should I do it this year, this year? Do it this year and stop doing that old New Resolution stuff. Alright, y'all, I'll wipe my face off, so. Alright, so gotcha. Okay.
So next, brows. Now you do better side by side, or I'll show you, then you go, or how you like to learn?
I do better with, what's side by side?
Side by side, I do one side, you do the other side? Or you want me to like demonstrate and then
Demonstrate, yes.
Start where it thins out, and basically you're gonna make line-like strokes and just.
Okay, fill that out.
Line.
Alright, you said always like start right here?
You can start on the top or on the bottom, whichever. Okay. You just want to follow the thickness of the beginning of the brow. Makes sense. But yeah,
Okay, so that's good.
It's just a little bit.
Start like where the part where we shaded in.
Yeah, it's just easier to start right there, in my opinion.
Good. I'm trying to. Can I do it that way or can't? Now, can I start?
You can hold it however you're comfortable with it.
Okay.
Yep.
Because I know I'm not left-handed now.
Yeah, so, okay, so that's the harder side for you to be doing. Well, you're going to have to do both sides anyway, so I guess we practice.
Okay.
Literally hold it however you want to. You're just lining literally the top of your brow. It's okay to start away and then come down.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah, that's fine.
Away from our
okay, because you don't want to have to redraw it because you did it.
No.
Real quick. For you, because essentially you won't have to just tell me where to hold it.
Okay, right there.
So you're gonna look down at your lash and place it right above your round lash line. Yeah.
As y'all eyes. Alright, still learning with the, but
Looks cute, little light,
little light. Still practicing. Look.
Proud makeup, mom. Oh god.
Okay, and this one right here looks like it's trying to.
Girl, it ain't going nowhere, believe me. It's on your eye, on your eye.
So that's
powder under your eyes. We're gonna get into blush, and when it comes to blushes, you do not have to spin big.
I'm learning. So y'all can see more videos like this. Watch me get ready and beat my face.
Baby doll.
I already look Asian now. This is making my eye look real chinky.
Yep, any hair store lip gloss will do.
So I'm gonna need the two of them that you just put on my lips.
We already said it in the video.
Lip gloss. There's ombre. Applied.
Now, ta-da!
Ta-da! For real this time.
Any questions?
The finishing look, y'all. Okay. We're about to get out. This is the bathroom. That's so cute. Yes. My sister's friends, they're taking a shot, but I was like, I'm very lightweight, and plus I don't really want to drink this with you. I'm just coming along.
Later that night, y'all, we did end up going to the Weekend. It's like a little club vibe, but my sister wanted to go there to get food first before we went to the other place. Y'all, the wings were great. Then we went on to another club. I forgot what this one's called. I think it's Vibes, but very pretty atmosphere. Finally, though, when I got back home, I am about to take this makeup off because you are not supposed to fall asleep with the makeup on. I don't care how late it is. It was like 1 a.m. when I came back home, y'all. I had to take that off. I do it the cheap way. I just get Vaseline and wipes. I do it this way because, one, Vaseline has always taken off my makeup great when I wore makeup for prom and things. I just found this concept to be very easy. So if you want to do it the cheaper way, get some Vaseline and some wipes and just wipe your face off.
For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Make a love cycle, make a traffic cycle. Baby, if you lazy, I go drive me cycle. If you dirty, then make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. Yeah, you are that looking in your eyes. Show you many things you can utilize. If I say I love you, tell you like so. Show you everything when I tonight. True that make you utilize so. Yeah, look when we talk, we go revive so. Give you many things we put them make you dance so. Yeah, make you back up with the standing mic. It's going and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at. Where you at?